Want to skyrocket customer loyalty? Pair Smile.io with Klaviyo for a loyalty program that drives repeat purchases. Smile.io powers customizable loyalty programs with points, referrals, and VIP tiers. Klaviyo supercharges your email marketing with personalized campaigns. Together, they sync customer data to create targeted, reward-driven emails that keep customers coming back. Set it up in minutes. Connect Smile.io to Klaviyo via ZeroAuth, sync loyalty data like points and VIP status, use Smile's pre-built Klaviyo flow templates to send dynamic emails like welcome messages or redemption reminders based on customers' actions. Segment customers by points or VIP tiers for high targeted campaigns. Boost engagement with personalized reward emails, or watch retention soar as customers redeem points and refer friends. Ready to transfer one-time shoppers into loyal fans? Integrate Smile.io and Klaviyo today. Visit Smile.io and Klaviyo.com to get started. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.